Hi, everybody. I have to talk to you guys about what's really going on. I hate working for the man. I hate it. Whatever you want to call it, corporate America, a company, whatever you want to call it. I hate it. Am I grateful? Yes, absolutely. I'm grateful for the money. But in the spirit of not being sold or not settling, I hate it. Today I was brought to tears just by the reality that it doesn't get better. You do all this 8 to 5. It's not 9 to 5 no more. It's 8 to 5. Rigmarole. You get yelled at every day, all day long for not being perfect. You can't win from losing. You're overworked and overstressed. Everybody's overworked and overstressed. So they're heaping abuse. Everybody's heaping abuse on everybody. It is so unhealthy. It is so unhealthy. And these days, my motto is not allowing things to waste my time, as well as being careful what stresses me out to eliminate it. It's so ironic, it's my job. And though I'm building on the side, I'm building a platform for myself. I'm building so much for myself. I'm so tired from work every day. I get home and I'm sleepy automatically. I get home, I sit down, and then my body's just like, I need this rest. Just give me this rest, please. It's crazy. Because yesterday, my manager's manager had the nerve to say, we're no longer a 9 to 5. You know what that means. It means we're working all types of hours. Now, he is the type of person that has no problem doing that. He has no kids, he has no wife, or what have you. We're all parents. Everybody else on the team is all parents. So it's easy for him to say that because he's a workaholic. It's easy. But first of all, that's first of all. Second of all, I wasn't a 9 to 5 person in the first place. I work 8 to 5. And let me break something down to you. I go above and beyond. So even though 5 was the time we got off, I just left. It's 6:00. I left at 6:02. 6:02. So I was already on that time frame. Because you have to keep, it's hard to keep up. And because my hours are like normal business hours, I don't get a chance to unwind in the beginning. No, prepare in the beginning or unwind at the end. It's just, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. And it hurts. And it's frustrating. And today I prayed to God and I was just like, some got to give. Some got to give. I was so frustrated. I was so frustrated. It's like, God, I just need to get rich already. Rich and wealthy. No more struggle. No more struggle, God. And it came from the projects, and I'd have been down in the depths of the wow and the hellhole and all of that. I'm good. You can keep the struggle. I won't have it on earth. I want it now. He says, ask for the impossible, or what you fathom as the impossible. He says, ask. and it shall be given. So I've been challenging God on Him saying acts. Him saying acts for the impossible. Him saying, come to the Father and lay your burdens down. Sometimes I could just get tired of praying the same thing over and over and over and over and over. And I think God is just like, it's timing. And I'm like, I need the timing to move to now. It's crazy. It's crazy. I cried and cried some more, and I cried some more, and I prayed. And when I got back down to the office, because I had to walk out. I did. I had to walk out. It was crazy. Crazy. I had to walk out. And I was like, the last time I felt this was when I left Chase Bank. Chase Bank was dealing with a lot of racism and verbal abuse and all types of abuse, everything but physical. And I heard God say, leave, jump. And I did. And boy, did I had the time of my life at that time, because doors started opening. And this particular time, I don't hear him saying jump, but I do keep hearing him say continue to build your businesses on the side. It is hard. It is hard. And I'm a single mom. And a baby landlord. Woo! But I think of things in terms of the struggles that I went through earlier in my life and that I'm going through now. They do prepare me. I think without those struggles, I would be a wuss right now. I would be a punk. I would be weak with having so many things to juggle and so many burdens to deal with. And he definitely prepared me for times like this. So I'm definitely not a punk. I've been through a lot, to say the least. And it strengthened my feeble muscles. Spiritual too. Spiritual muscles, all kind of muscles that you need. Mental muscles, perspectives, all that. And so then I see the why this had to happen, why that had to happen. God has always built me strong, But baby, I've been through some stuff. Woo! Woo! At an early age. You name it, it has happened to me. Trust me. That's why I'm getting these books out. That scripture. Well, not the scripture, but I was like, it's only so much a person can take. Well, I've been past that about a decade ago. And this is September the 2nd. I don't remember, did I vlog yesterday? See, that's how everything is getting away from me, because I can't even remember if I vlogged yesterday. This is crazy. But today is September the 2nd, and God told me September was going to be good and powerful, and I'm calling him on it. Father, I am calling you on it. Show me the money. Move in my life. Please, God. You doing something. Whew. Jeez. So yeah, it's a little bit of a rant session, testimonials. But I definitely hate working for the man. I do. I'm building my platform. mentors, accountability partners, projects, schedule, everything. But I'm realizing that work is taking up a chunk of my time and energy and efforts to where I can't even invest in myself. I need that money, I guess, huh? And especially during this time with this pandemic. Or, man, it would behoove me to lose my job or leave my job. Oh, and they're doing cuts.